Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Another factor is the temperature. When the particles are heated, they tend to diffuse faster. What does that mean? That the temperature gives kinetic energy to the particles, making them to be able to move faster than before. So we are saying that temperature increases. Or you can say increase in temperature. Increases the kinetic energy. Of the particles making them to move faster. So that is temperature.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.